Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chen Rodriguez, Mama Sagari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin anong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updates. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na umapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap? Ito na, tuklasin, alamin na natin. So there's a strength card, no? Something confidence. So kailangan malakas ang loob mo, no? Tibayan mo ang loob mo, no? Kailangan labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo dito. May mga bagay na kailangan mong, 'di ba, manindigan. Okay, additional messages. And because there's a Three of Swords. So see, there's a lot of pain. So may mga bagay na nagbigay sa iyo ng sakit at bighati. And of course, there's a Three of Swords with insecure. No? So may mga tao sa paligid mo na insecure sa iyo, no? And because there is the Queen of Cups by healing, no? Unti-unting paghilom, unti-unting paggaling sa iyong mga karamdaman. At ito ay magbibigay sa iyo ng something love and support. Parang gano'n. Parang mamahalin mo na yung sarili mo, no? Sa pagiging ikaw. Kumbaga, susuportahan mo na yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, alisin mo na yung takot at pangamba, no? Yung parang healing from being, immaturity. Parang gano'n. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there's the Seven of Wands. So, you are being protected, no? There's something of protected. So, kailangan pangalagaan, proteksyonan mo yung mga bagay-bagay na sa paligid mo or either, kailangan mo ng protection here, no? There's a Queen of Wands by confidence, no? Confident and of course, independent sa ginagawa mo. And of course, stability, no? At sinasabi, kontrolin mo yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo na alam mong makakabuti sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there's a judgment for a wake of call or inner calling. So this is the pay attention, no? Kailangan mong makinig at kailangan mo pakinggan yung inner voice mo. There's something, a messages, an email for you, or something, a signs or synchronicities. So let's see what is the strength card. Strength card represent the Ace of Pentacles. So there's a big shot or big money, no? Maring magdala to sa iyo ng kumbaga big opportunities. Itong kumbaga lalakasan mo na yung loob mo dahil itong bagay na to may malaking hatid na magandang pagbabago sa buhay mo. This is the big opportunity that brings you a transformation and new life. So let's see what is the Three of Swords. Represent the Two of Wands. So there's a choices, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay dito na kailangan mong piliin lang yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, no? Maraming tao na inggit behind your back. Kahit na sino yung mga tao na to, kahit na malapit sa'yo, there's something hidden agenda or hidden feelings na maaring, 'di ba? There's an evil eye contract. Maaring kumbaga yung mga plano mo or may mga gusto kang gawin hindi na isa sa katuparan, nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellation or something postponed dahil nakakapag-share ka ng ideas and thoughts dun sa tao na ang laki ng inggit sa'yo. So let's see what is the Queen of Cups. So there's the Six of Cups. So there's a past, this is a past person or something, a reminiscence. Maaring, kumbaga, hihilumin na yung mga nangyari sa isa nakaraan, no? Kumbaga, there's a childhood memories or history, something like that. So let's see what is the Seven of Wands. What is the Seven of Wands represent the Four of Wands? So there's a celebration, homecoming, family gathering. So you are being protected, no? Protektado ka na magdadala sa ng celebration. So let's see what is the Queen of Wands. Maaring umuwi ka na, galing ka sa ibang bansa or nandito ka sa Pilipinas, maaring mag-travel ka. And because there is something na Ten of Swords. So okay, thank you. There's a Ten of Swords with a sabotage, no? Minsan nagkakaroon ng inner sabotage that because of your actions, no? Kaya kailangan kontrolin, no? Lakasan ang pakiramdam, no? And because let's see what is the Judgment. Temperance, perfect timing, kalmado. Kailangan maging, para paalala sa iyo na kailangan mong maging kalmado, wag ka masyadong agresibo. Sa lahat ng plano, gagawin mo sa eksena mo. No, the judgment is may paalala or warning or synchronicities or something as signs na you need to pay attention, na be calm and be easy and of course, kalma. Pang ganon. So, let's see what is the strength card in the Ace of Pentacles. So, there's the Knight of Swords. So, there's an anxiety, sleepless night. So, there's a fear. Okay. Kaya pala sinasabi lang sa loob mo, this is the big shot. Kumbaga, this is a something ego or drama or something pride or either pag-alinlangan. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the Three of Swords. Because the Two of Wands. Kumbaga, kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, ha? Sayang to opportunity to. This is a big shot. And because there is the Five of Cups with a regret, no? Kumbaga, may mga taong nagagalit din sa'yo, rather, no? May mga bagay na lihim na may galit sa'yo, lihim na may inggit sa'yo. And there is a possible na maaaring nagsisisi sila or nanghihinayang sila from friends or ikaw ay nanghihinayang, no? Dahil sa pinagsamahan or something na parang kapatid mo ng turing doon. So, eventually, you need to give you a distance. No? So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and of course the Six of Cups. So, there's a Star card for healing. No? May mga unti-unting makaka-recover na. No? There's a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na. Na kumaga dati pinangarap mo lang, ngayon abot kamay mo na. The Seven of Wands and of course the Four of Wands represent the Knight of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na talaga dito. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan. May mga bagay na ibibigay na sa'yo dito na ang puong may kapal. Now, so something, a wedding, celebrations, homecoming, no? So, let's see what is Queen of Wands. And of course, that's Ten of Swords. And of course, there's the Knight of Wands for slow and steady. Talagang, di ba, slowly but surely. So, tinasabi dito, kailangan maging mahinahon ka, maging practical ka, maging, kumbaga, maingat ka sa mga bagay or action mo para nasa ganon, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng sabotage dito. I think this is something, information, no? Na parang, nasasabi mo to sa ibang tao, kaya parang nagkakaroon ng sabotahe sa'yo. No? I think, may bala ka umuwi ng Pilipinas or may bala ka pumunta ng ibang bansa or something, may hinihintay kang documents like that, na maaaring nagkakaroon ng delays and cancellation that because of evil eye. Now, there's something na inggit. So, the Queen of Wands and of course the Temperance represent the Two of Cups with a partnership. So, may mga bagay dito about sa partnership mo na wag mo masyadong minamadali. No? Kailangan maging mahinahon ka. Kailangan mo, kumbaga, kilalanin yung taon to. No? Wag mo, kumbaga, getting to know each other, get more information, background check ka, kilalanin mo siya, no? What is the family history or something sa kanya, na kumbaga para wala ka rin pagsisihan at the end of the time. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Tower moment for a major changes. Dito na papasok malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo na there is a Seven of Cups with a something opportunity. Maraming opportunity din mag-unfold. May mga opportunity din na ibibigay. And of course, there's an information with the King of Cups. There's a devoted supportive person. And of course, there's an enjoy the two of you guys. Na maaaring itong taon na to, mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Mahal na mahal ka ng person na to. And of course, there's a something offer, new love. There's a something in new love here. No, maaring, kumbaga, may bagong person that it's either may asawa ka, pero may bago kang person. Maaring, kumbaga, nagkaroon na ng something, struggle sa inyong pagsasama. And of course, there's a possible na maaring unti-unti nang nahilom, no? Parang naging na lang sa inyong dalawa, naging favor na lang sa inyong dalawa na palayain isa't isa. At the same time, there's a something information na may pag-ibig na bago or something, a recent, no? Recent, or current situation or current person. So, let's see what is additional messages about sa career. About sa career, there's the full card for process and progress, no? Talaga nagaganap na pagdating sa yung negosyo o hanap buhay or finances. So, there's a death card for a transformation. Na parang binago to, parang babaguhin yung career mo or babaguhin yung resource of income mo. Or magkakaroon ng transformation. No? Magkakaroon ng, kumbaga, magde-develop or something, kumbaga, mag-grow na siya, magkakaroon ng expansion, branches, like that. Additional messages about sa love life. So, there's the Page of Wands, and because there's a Ten of Wands. Okay, so there's a lot of responsibilities and burden. So may mga bagay dito na parang nagulat ka kasi parang hindi mo akalain na tong tao na to ay marami pa palang mission sa buhay niya. Kumbaga gano'n. Kumbaga tong tao na to ay hindi mo akalain marami pa na siyang kayang gawin or may marami siyang inaasikaso, marami siyang obligasyon or responsibilidad. Additional messages about naman sa health. So there's a Five of Swords in reverse. So there's a fair fight, no? Kumbaga, ayos naman daw ang iyong pakiram. There's an ease of once for a new beginning. So, ibig sabihin, good health naman daw. Or some of them naman, parang may mga bagay na, kumbaga, iniiwasan ka ng kainin or inumin. No? Kumbaga, na nakakasama sa iyo. No? You got the point, no? Na, kumbaga, alam mo na kung saan ka nadedehado doon kapag kinakain mo yon. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka na realization, no? Na kailangan mo na talagang iwasan yung ganong scenario or something, bad habits. Additional messages about naman sa magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages represent what? Practice, practice, practice. And enhance your ability and polish your skills, guys. And there's a marriage talaga. Na meron ditong kasal o ikakasal. And because there's a healing, healed healer. See? May paghilom talaga and recovery ako talaga na sense, no, on the first place pa lang. So let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. Additional Yin and Yang Oracle card for distance. I told you, there's something in distance, a long-term relationship or long-distance relationship. And there's a self-worth, no? Meron dito parang pahalaga mo rin yung sarili mo, no? And because there's a lack and doubt, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng pag-alinlangan at pagdadalawang isip dito. So let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. Represent the speed, no? Parang pibilis na raw ang daloy ng eksena dito. And there's a joy, no? May ligaya. May ligaya at ganda. My God. May gandang hindi mo in-expect na magpapabago ng buhay mo dito. And there's a something ligaya na maaring mag-i-enjoy ka at mamahalin mo yung bawat araw o senaryo na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Parang ganon. I-enjoyin mo na lang siya. Let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael and new beginning and fresh start. So, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at panibagong buhay. At the same time, there's an exploring option. So, you have an options, guys. No? Kung alam mo at gusto mo pang ungkatin or kailangan mo pang matutunan yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa iyo in the near future. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So, kailangan maging open ka sa person mo para na sa ganon, may mga bagay na kailangan, kumbaga, nagkakaintindihan kayo ganon. There's a retreat. So, it's time to disconnect from the world, no? Hindi mo kailangan makinig sa ibang tao bagkos, kumbaga, pakinggan mo ang sarili mo, no? Yung mga gabay mo. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. Kasi parang, I think, maraming sulsol, maraming buyo dito. And of course, there's a facade. See, I told you, impostor. Maraming nagbabalat kayo. And there's a self-worth. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo ang halaga mo. No, kung sino ka at kung ano ka. Diba? And there's a completions. Huwag mong hayaang mahuli ang lahat. Para may relationship dito na matatapos na. So, something like that. So, there's a death card and a completion na parang there's an ending for something. No? That brings you a transformation. Okay, let's see what is additional messages for the energy. And there's a strategy. Now, gamitin mo itong bagay na to para makagawa ka ng isang bagay na alam mo makakapagbigay sa iyo ng growth and expansion, strategiya. There's a walking away. See? May mga bagay na kailangan mong talikuran. May mga bagay na kailangan mong iwasan at bitawan. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Expect the powerful change, no? Mag-expect ka ng mga pagbabago magaganap sa buhay mo. There's a prosperity lies ahead. Talagang na magaganap na ang kagandahan at bagong mga opportunity, no, na papasok sa buhay mo, nagmadadala sa iyo ng success and prosperity. And there's a bring love in this situation. Mahalin mo daw ang sitwasyon mo. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. For the angel's answer, represent meditation bring answers. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate. No? Kailangan mo magdasal, magmuni-muni. And there's a communicate clearly. So, kailangan nyo makipag-communicate the two of you guys, no? Sa isa't isa, family-related man yan, sa relationship man yan, sa business man yan. So, kailangan mo makipag-usap ng maayos at malinaw. There's a survival. So, there's a passion. Talaga kung mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, makakasurvive ka. Kasi may mga bagay tayo na kapag gusto natin yung ginagawa natin, hindi tayo mapapagod. And there's something high counsel by evolution, no? Unti-unti na magkakaroon ng development at pagbabago sa buhay mo. Additional messages. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information. And there's a death card. See, double clarification to guys. This is the transformation. This is the transformation. There's an ending and a new beginning. And there's a discipline. Na kailangan nyo na disiplina sa isa't isa o sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is the additional messages. Light and love. Bibigyan kaliwanagan ng buhay, pag-ibig at pagmamahal. There's a teaching, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ituro, no? Sa sarili mo, sa ibang tao. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, bibigyan linaw talaga ang buhay, pag-ibig. Or bibigyan kaliwanagan hindi lang sa pag-ibig, no? Or pagmamahal. Sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng aspeto. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit. Marami kasing factor kasi ang love eh. No, there's an unconditional love. Diba? And there's a deep soul connection with love. Ganon. Something like that. And because there is child of the cosmos. So the intelligence of the universe lies within you. Bibigyan kang katalinuhan ng puong may kapal na para maisakatuparan lahat ng mga plano or pangarap mo. Trust the timing. So see, magtiwala ka, talagang ibibigay sa'yo kapag talagang para sa'yo. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Archangel Raphael, so there's a children. So, some of you guys may mga anak na, or there's an involved, no, by children's. And there's a second option. No, marami kang there's a second option. May option ka pa, di ba, pagdating sa health issues mo. No, kumbaga, hindi mo kina-close yung chapter pagdating sa ganung bagay. Kumbaga, inaalam mo pa or there's a behind the scenes, no? Kung for medication ba or spiritual. So, kumbaga, tinutuklas mo talaga. For Jesus' loving quote said, if you have a faith as a grain of mustard seed, you shall say unto the mountain, remove hence to the yonder place and shall be removed. So see, kung nagtitiwala ka, naniniwala ka sa kung ano man yung tinanim mo, siyang aanihin mo, at yung mga bagay na alam mong itinanim mo, kung karapat-dapat talaga sa iyo ay yayabong at lalakas yan at lalago, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay di dyan, iaalis ka ng ating Panginoon kung alam niya hindi ka mag-grow dyan sa bagay o sa sitwasyon mo, no? Kung may mga bagay dyan na dapat kang alisin, aalisin niya. So let's see, what is additional messages for Angel's number? For the Angel's number, represent what? And of course, there's a 555 and 00 for clarity and limitless. So, let's see guys, no? For limitless muna tayo, rest and relaxations, surrender and the finish line and success is here. It serves a timely reminder that anything can be accomplished if you can dream it. There is no reason you can make it into reality. If something is in the possession of another person, it is also available to you. So try to remain calm. What meant for you won't pass you by. Let go of tension, relax. So see, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Alisin mo yung, kumbaga, yung aggressive mo sa lahat ng bagay. The more na relax ka, the more na fulfill mo lahat ng mga bagay o plano mo, no? Kumbaga, alisin mo yung greedy, alisin mo yung takot, or anumang tension or nararamdaman mo na magbibigay balakid sa pagtupad at pag-abot ng mga pangarap mo, alisin mo. And there's a 555 clarity. Lilinawin lahat ng mga bagay na malabo para sa iyo. You are not victim for circumstances, rather you are a beneficiary of it. If weren't the cases, life would be pretty dull. You will set yourself up to success in the long run if you are willing to adapt to this shift. Everything is working out of the best at long last. You are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work out with the perfect at the end. So see, kung may mga bagay ka talagang gusto may sa katuparan, kung talaga nakalaan niya para sa iyo, at kung may mga bagay sa iyo na kung para sa talaga yung mga bagay na pang matagalan ay mapapasayo, no? Talagang kahit na agawin, kunin, no? Talagang ibabalik talaga sa iyo na pong may kapalang talagang para sa iyo. This is a great transformation, a major changes and opportunity na magdadala sa iyo ng success. So let's see what is the messages of life. crossing into the light. So, sinasabi dito, guys, today I face a new bridge that I must cross on the journey to the inner transformation. Today, like every day, I will practice the law of the universal love. Thus, I will deal with the current situation in the positive way so that I continue to grow and evolve as I cross a bridge on my way towards the light. I am reminded the true meaning of life. So, see, kumbaga, binibigay talaga sa'yo, no? Parang, there's something kinukross yung landas mo dun sa bagay na yon kasi may mga bagay talaga na talagang mapagdadaanan mo para baguhin, ayusin ang mga bagay na gusot, kamalian sa sitwasyon mo na magdadalas at magtutuwid sa'yo tungo sa tagumpay. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng just at may kapal, siksik digdig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!